Random rewards are so sweet, honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire, I'm not weak or lazy. I'm like electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lights the way for me, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Dancing Teslas and SpaceX, this techno king is on a roll. There is no shame in his game. He's having fun, he's in control. I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. I see stars when I hear Dodge. Forget the moon, I'm off to Mars. Cash is trash, is confetti. So dollar bills can kiss my go dash, 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 dash. Go dash, 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 Doge Daddy, yeah. Random rewards are so sweet, honey's all that I can see. Blame nature, why don't you? I make no apology, I'm in love with a meme. About as real as a dollar, and it makes me wanna scream. I wanna be a millionaire, I'm not weak or lazy.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Electricity, I'm the path of least resistance. Always lights the way.
Good evening, Kent Luke. Unfortunately, I'm driving a passenger bus, but I'm listening. Be blessed, everybody. Put it on the speakers, man. Let the rest of the bus listen too. Educate them. Why you stopped making videos on BTT, man? Did you see any videos today? I stopped making videos on everything, man. I keep shorting every day and it's been perfect, lol. If you're shorting, I'll share, man. Bitcoin is doing a little bit better than that. How guys doing? How guys doing? Good evening, good evening. Is this gonna drop, guys? Is this gonna drop? Why are you bullish? I don't know, man. I just feel it. I just feel it in my bones. What are altcoins taking? They are just waiting, man. This is I think this is gonna be perfect spring. We need a boost because there was a 560 million buy option on BTC expiring today. Bullish IF right now. Yeah, brother, what do you think? Reserve rights on whole chain? I don't know. We'll see. You still live? I'm drunk, lol. Yeah, well, of course not BTC. I'm looking for 3-5% per trade with 3x leverage. Good luck with that, man. You're gonna get burned. Big moves coming. Big. Get you here. How are things, my man? I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Okay, let me turn off this, and put something more chill. What are we gonna list? Some kind of a house. Okay, let's do house. Did you see how many shorts? Gonna be a big short squeeze this weekend. Yeah, big short squeeze. We like that. I think that's what the thing is. I think they're preparing for a big short squeeze. I'm bullish, man. What's up, brother? I'm feeling it too. You guys feeling it? You look at this. Right now, alts are gonna drop once we break this line. This is the line on the Ethereum, guys. Once this breakdown, everything's gonna drop, and you know what is gonna happen? I'm hoping we can hold above certain levels down here. I fall in love with the dollar cost averaging and setting buy orders accordingly. I can find sleep at night and recommend others as well. Yeah, that's a nice thing to do, but you gotta have a long-term you know, direction for that. Let me just post this on see if everybody bearish as fuck. Okay, let me just put some you know, YouTube share. Guys, we gotta you might be able, guys, you might be able to be early adopters, guys. You might be able to be early adopters. There is something here that you might be able to be early adopters. Let me show you. I am bullish, guys. I don't know about you. I'm bullish. Another chart I'm looking at. Interesting market situation. Also, again, gonna fuel the BTC pump. I think something is more interesting is happening. I'm not quite sure if you guys can see it. I don't know. I might be wrong. I've been wrong before, but you know. Alt gains. What alt gains? Bullish. 11 o'clock, man. 11 o'clock. 11 p.m. I really need the drop so I can get some more ADA and XRP. Let's go. Hang tight. We could see the biggest short squeeze in Bitcoin history. Yeah, you wrong. Come on. hello, Havik. How you doing? This is gonna be nice, guys. But before we start, hit the like button, because if you do that, you might. I'm gonna show you something. I'm gonna show you something over here. Where is it? So guys, you got a chance to be early adopters. Now, there is only one reason I made this. You know, if you go to, where is it? Like over here, yeah. So if you go to the late adopter, right, to my, you can become member right now. You can become early adopter and get some really nice emojis for the chat. I'm just saying, I'm just putting out there, and you know, you can get this badges like 1 month, 2 month, 10 month, what a 24-month badge, right? So you can be one of those guys that has the badge with the, you know, the coolest badge because you are an early adopter. Yeah, so check that out. I just put it there because I want people to post more emojis, and the more people join here, I can make more emojis. So right now we can only have 4 emojis, and I can list them up here. So that's TLA, this one, and then you have TLA pump, TLA dump, and the last one is TLA fans. So those are the 4 emojis. So by the way, when you go there, it's called TI fans fans club. Okay, TI fans. I told you I want to do only fans, but you know, it became TI fans. So you want to join TI fans club, you know, that's it. So you have a chance to be like early adopter or something like that. That said, let's get into some more interesting stuff, guys. Right, we're gonna get in some more interesting stuff. Never gonna give you up, never gonna give you up. TLA fans, yeah. It's not TLA, it's TA. It's TA. Like, I know everybody's gonna confuse that. It's not TLA fans, it's TA fans. TA fans club. Yeah, join TA fans club, guys. Why not? And then the more people, because right now I can have only 4 emojis, you know, and if I want more emojis, then I have, you know, have to have people in there, because at 5 members I get 1 extra emoji, and then at 10 members I get 1 extra emojis, you know. The more people join, the more emojis, and then we can also vote on what kind of emojis we want to have. I found something in the saver menu which I never have ever seen before. Late adopter in the house. Yeah, man. Pure spam from the Nordic Nightmare. 97.39%. Ron knows what's up. Ron knows what's up. Hi Ron, how you doing? Thanks for joining the Patreon, man. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. Nice to have you there. I just released a new Patreon video. I think it's gonna be really interesting because that I'm gonna talk about tomorrow's Bitcoin video. So you know, you're getting the head start on that one. I FOMO'd into T-Fuel at 0.62, and do you think we can see another pump before mainnet? I'm not quite sure what's happening with T-Fuel, but it wasn't actually following Bitcoin very nicely, so I did talk about it on the Patreon as well. Thoughts on staking farming. Rondolph, welcome to TA Fans Club. There we go. Ron, thanks for joining, man. That's the very first member. That's the early adopter. Ron is the very first adopter to the TA Fans Club. Very nice. Welcome to TA Fans Club, man. Insane. I didn't know that there would be announcements on the chat while we are doing live. Very nice. So, you know, after a while, you will have the coolest badge next to your name, you know. Epic moment. That's the epic. Somebody should screenshot this and make an NFT out of it, you know. Then we can have party. Like, my guy, you're a superstar since I found out about you from CoinSkid making money. Yeah. CoinSkid is making millions, man. That guy is insane. He says hello, everybody throws money away. TLI, are you still bullish? I'm more bullish now than I ever been before. Like, okay, not ever before, but like since we started dropping like a month ago, like, you know, I haven't been bullish. But right now, a lot of that bullishness, that good feeling is coming back into it, you know. So it looks all golden. It looks good. There are levels that we don't want to break on the downside, right? There are levels that we don't want to break on the downside. And there we got another one, TA Fans Club. Terrobrom, nice, man. Thanks for joining the FA fans club. Also, right now I think we can make the fifth badge or fifth emoji. So I'm gonna figure out what, because right now you can just type like this TLA. If you write that, then you can add TLA pump or TLA dump, yeah, right. See, there's a pump and dump emoji, man. I didn't know what to put there. But I thought this was interesting. It doesn't cost much, like $2.99 or something like that. Like throw away money for it's for fun. It's for fun. You guys will love Africa. Love you, Papa Musk. Thanks, man. TLI dump. TLI. Now you gotta be in the member, and when you're a member on the chat, then you can write like TLI pump, TLI dump. You will have 100k fans really fast. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Ron the adopter, #1, first month. Thanks, man, for joining. What's your thoughts on the ICP token? It almost dropped 100% of release. I don't know. I'm looking for the bottom, but it looks like it's a bottomless pit of never-ending drop. 4-hour bull flag for BTC. Nice deep tan. Yeah, maybe. Let's see what's up with the 4-hourly BTC full. So you know the 20 moving average is really important. You see this 20 moving average. I think the 20 moving average is gonna kick the price up if it doesn't drop on the downside. Like it can also drop on the downside. Well, what I do? So I'm saying, if I can just do this, I don't want to drop below the 20 moving average, guys. I don't want to drop below 20 moving average on the 4-hour. You can see the 20 moving average has been really respected all the time, really nicely on the 4-hourly time frame. Like, you know, it's get respected really nicely. So right now we are above the 20 moving average. We don't want to fall below 20 moving average, guys. We don't want to fall below, but it looks good, guys. It looks good. I don't have any idea why altcoins are bleeding despite Bitcoin going up. I think it's you know, this is, you know, in a month time everybody's gonna be talking about this moment, and it's like, oh my god, why didn't I know that? Why didn't I know that? What's your opinion on Matic Era after ETH 2.0? I didn't know that there would be, you know. Oh yeah, ETH 2.0, but not sure. Maybe ETH, because ETH has a lot of already, you know, apps and everything, and it's really hard to transfer everything from ETH to some other blockchain just because it is like something like it's like YouTube, you know. You know, there are other YouTube platforms, you know, but you know, like BitChute and stuff like that. But you know, transfer one to the other when there is already customers on this side and everything is already set up, you know. It's like for special use cases, but you know, it is already like it is YouTube, and then you got all these other chains that are like, you know. It is the longest blockchain. Yeah, it is the longest blockchain. Well, I guess I'm the only one who sees this. Maybe I'm wrong. BTC short monthly chart last few days shorts have loaded up. Yeah, and their shorts are gonna have to close soon. Nick Black, easy fella, what are your thoughts on staking farming? I have actually no clue about staking farming. I haven't done one stake on one or farming or anything like that. I have absolutely no clue about that. I've seen it, like people are making money out of it, you know, but I cannot make money off everything, you know. You gotta pick your battles, and you know, I'm sorry about staking farming. I cannot do anything there. But thanks for $5, man. I appreciate the money. 2 new members today, nice. Let's see here. Altcoins are preparing for the pump. Really close everything. Yeah, I think so. So guys, let's see here on Ethereum right now, and you know, if you start falling below this level up here on the 4-hourly time frame, which is actually getting close in a 2 hours and 43 minutes, you know, we might actually start getting drop here. But if you do that, what I'm looking at then is I'm looking at RSI, guys. I'm looking at RSI, and I'm hoping that we might get the RSI divergence. You know, I'm hoping that this will actually stay up, and you know, if RSI starts going down and we are not breaking the level down here, if we are not breaking this level down here, if the price goes down, we are not breaking the level, we might just get the RSI divergence that we need. If we get the RSI divergence, it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be beautiful. That's 4-hourly RSI divergence, you know, it might happen. Sell her for Luna. For Dodge dumping, it shows that market's getting there because Dodge is weak. Oh, I don't like this. I'm not in a club. Yeah, that's fine. Please tell us something about BDT. 299 to join is a scam, pure Ponzi scheme. Come on, man. You can make those 299 on a 0.03% move on Bitcoin. It's good time to buy and hold XRP ARA EVET. Not right now, Patrick Nicky. It's preparing. Look at Fibonacci in 2018. What do you think about Kishuino? Meme coin. Not much. Is it good time to buy and hold XRP ARA ETH? Maybe. Hard to tell, but I'm bullish, so you know, maybe. ET fans pumping up. I think ARA will go first. Maybe. What's this music, guys? I was hoping for some chill. Okay, maybe this is better, How is 290 pints but only 299 Canadian? Does YouTube not scale with currency? Yeah, I don't know how that works, man. I don't know how that works. I've also seen that like 299 USD is like 29 Norwegian crowns, but it's not actually 29 Norwegian crowns. So in some currencies you pay more than the others, you know. So some currency there is a better price, you know, depends on how you pay. Are you bullish everything or just BTC? Well, if BTC does what I hope it's gonna do, you know, I'm gonna be bullish. Minus 4%. What's up with the music, guys? What's up with the music? I cannot... No, this is too chill. Drum and bass. Yeah, sure, why not? I took 100k loan out for this drop, man. That's insane, man. Be careful, man, be careful. Any guess about timing for the new BTC all-time high? There we go, guys. We are dropping officially below the level, but you know, it's a 4-hourly time frame. How did we close 1 hourly? Oh, look at that. 1 hourly closed actually on the dollar. Look here. 1 hourly close, but right now we are dropping, but there is still 40 minutes left. We are dropping, guys, we are dropping. We are looking at it because Bitcoin is not that exciting, guys. Bitcoin is not that exciting. It's a 50 moving average. We might actually drop below that. We did drop below that before, but the 4 hourly, 20 moving average and 10 moving average and stuff like that, like it looks interesting. But I'm really interested in what Ethereum is gonna do, because Ethereum is correlated with a lot of these other coins. And what's up with my music, man? Synthwave, sure. Some dark synthwave. Please drop to 7 cents VeChain. Too many betting on 20k, so I say the opposite, to have too many expect. Do you know what I just realized, guys? Do you know what I just realized? Do you know what I just realized, guys? Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time. I'm gonna show you what I just realized. I'll show you what I just realized. We needed 2 weeks to go from 60,000 down to 30,000. 2 weeks. We used 2 weeks to go from 60,000 down to 30,000. Do you understand that? 2 weeks, 2 weeks. And now everybody say the bottom for Bitcoin is somewhere around 15,000, right? Give or take, that's the bottom. So everybody's saying like we're gonna use the next 1 year, you know, because, you know, a bear market is called 1 year to get to the 15,000. So we're gonna next 50% 1 year, while we already had like 50% in like 2 weeks. It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. It just doesn't make sense. Maybe it does make sense. Like let's see how we did over here. Yeah, it does make sense, guys. Ah, god damn it, it does make sense. What's that? What's this? But this isn't 2 weeks. This is like 1, 2, 3. This is like 2 months, 60%. And then we went next, yeah, 50%. Yeah, okay, it does make sense. God damn. I thought it didn't make sense, but it does make sense. How do you feel about G7 meeting? No clue, man. I hope they, you know, make Bitcoin legal tender in all of the countries. The longer we stay here, the better. You think? I don't know, man. No. Let's see over here. This might be, yeah, maybe this one. The longer the worse. I think we need bull now, maybe. So let's check out Ethereum right now. Ethereum is looking at dropping because I really want this. Is there gonna be any kind of there is no an error side divergence? Let's see on the 4 hourly. I really want this 4 hourly error side divergence to play out, you know, but it's still long ahead. You know, you have to wait 2.5 hours just to get below it, and then you know you have to see if it's gonna get. If it's bear market now, there's a ABC correction that usually happens in bear market. Yeah, maybe. Let's see over here. I'm not that good on Elliott waves, you know. I don't like Elliott waves personally, but if there is some kind of ABC, like over here, it's really hard to see where the ABC correction is though. Over here, it's really like hard to see where ABC correction is. Somebody will draw it like this, right? Something like this, like ABC correction, right? It's hard to say where it actually is. Like you can draw it over here or something like this, like. But the first move down is all the way down here, right? So you know A, B, and you know the C got to go below the A, so it has to be down here, right? And over here and right now, if there is an ABC correction, right, then you know A, then we should expect some kind of bump to the B, and then maybe some kind of level C, maybe. If it's you know, if it's bear market, When is the last time you saw a crash with zero retracement? You meant pump with zero retracement. I understand what you're saying. Do you think it will drop or rise until Monday? I'm quite optimistic, guys. I'm quite optimistic right now. Longer term, right now in the short term, very short term, you know, a lot of stuff can happen. In the short term, a lot of stuff can happen. And you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna chill with the music. Let's put some ambient music here. Maybe lo-fi. Yeah, it's fine. You cannot even hear it. That's how low it is. It's not ABC correction, it's just a consolidation in the lowest points. We are not in bear market. Sorry, I cut 2 fingers. Okay, man. But yeah, it does look bullish, you know. The fact that we are above the 10 and 20 moving average over here and still are keeping above 10, it looks like we are gonna close above 10 and 20 moving average for the two days in a row, which is super bullish, guys. I know we are having a low and lower low and stuff like that, but then we have low and high and lower high and low and lower low, but it's super bullish, especially these 3 candles over here sitting above 10 and 20 moving average, like being overextended on the weekly time frame and stuff like that. It looks very nice. What if ETH and BTC decouples? Can BTC Moon and ETH sync? I don't think that will ever happen. I don't think that will ever happen. ETH bullish divergence on 1 hour chart. ETH bullish divergence on 1 hour chart. Let's see 1 hour chart bullish divergence. Yeah, but right now it is dropping down, but it's not closed down. Like this is definitely like price is going down, their side going, it's bullish divergence, but you know you still have 34 minutes until this candle closes, so you have to wait for the candle close and then you have to see if the next candle is green or not. SEER double top in 1 hour chart. On BTC double top. On BTC 1 hourly chart double top. I won't say this is double top. On Ethereum double top, no, not on Ethereum either. I don't know what kind of double top you are looking at, but I don't see any double top. Damn you, buying. How long will you be live today? Maybe half an hour more. Half an hour more. I don't think they can decouple. What makes them follow each other is people like us. Yeah, we are buying. Would you buy anything now, or wait more, or not buy at all? I'm still waiting for this some kind of confirmation of the move to the upside. Like right now we are sitting in some kind of resistance up here, right? Yes, you know, you don't want to buy resistance. At least wait for you know, you can get in and then I hope it goes up, and you know, but then you have to have some kind of a like a 4 hour, like I said over here. If it falls below this line down here on the 4 hourly, if you get in right now and it starts falling below the 20 moving average, like that's bad. But best case scenario is just wait for it actually to get above it over here. Yes, you lose a little bit profits and stuff like that, but best case is just wait to get above the line and then get it on the retracement, something like that, and go back up. But if you want to get in soon over here, sure, why not? But then you know, 20 moving average on the 4 hourly should be, or some kind of get out. The Dogecoin is bullish on BTC. Pump it, pump it. Yeah. Tira, pump. Did you see Head and Shoulders on BTC some time ago? I'm a noob. There has been a lot of Head and Shoulders, but you know, some of them plays out, some of them not. Some of them are low time frames, like they don't matter. Buying a fake out is hilarious. Well, people shorted this stump down here, right? It started going down, then people start shorting, they're just reversed, right? Then people piled in on all the shorts because, you know, it's retracement, getting, it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop. And right now, just sitting up here, and everybody's like, what are you gonna do? So if it starts going up, all of these guys that shorted down here have to, you know, sell, or they are gonna get liquidated, you know. And what's happening with that? You know, short squeeze, price goes up. My opinion, I don't. We are in the bear because some altcoins still pumping. What type of bear market is that? Well, you know, during the bear market, some altcoins will always pump. There will come, you know, they will go through their cycles. You know, some kind of news will come. Because people still have to buy and sell. You know, people still have to buy and sell. You know, it's just that there is a lot less people buying than before, but people are still buying and selling. You know. So there is definitely altcoins that are going up in the bear market as well. What's the difference between EMA and exponential moving average and moving average? Well, simple moving average is like 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3 is 2, so 2. And exponential moving average is something like 1 plus 2 plus 3, but it's then divided by, and then divided by 3. But instead using 1 plus 2 plus 3, you use 1 plus 2 plus 6 divided by 3, because for some reason 3 has more meaning than the other one, so you want to pump those numbers. Something like that. You know, yeah, exponential moving, they give the latest closes more meaning than prior closes, you know, and then people are looking for the crystal ball in the moving averages. What? Okay, I'm gonna explain to you. Here you go. So basically, you got a simple moving average is sum 1 plus 2 plus 3, right? And then you take that and divide by, you know, 3 numbers to get an average. So 3 plus 2 plus 1 is 6. Divided by 3, you get 2. So moving average or simple moving average, that's called, it's 2, right? Now our exponential moving average, we won't go into the math, but you know, it's basically like 1 plus 2 plus 3 divided by 3. You know, but instead of taking this last number 3, you instead of that you say, okay, this is now 6, and take 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9 divided by 3. Right now it's 3. So this is exponential moving average, because for some reason people think that this last number, that's actually 3, should actually be some other number, that because it has more weight and has more meaning than the previous numbers, right? So the number and numbers are kind of different, because people think that, you know, the last part has some kind of meaning. You know, I don't think that. I think that's, you know, a wrong way to look at the technical analysis. You know, so I got my I just use moving averages. I don't know if that explained it to you. Why don't you Google and figure out what's gonna happen with BTC rather than just typing stop this, stop that and do nothing? Chill, bro. What's up guys, what's up? Will you please stop spam? It's okay, man. BTC is massively oversold, pumped. Yeah, it's totally oversold on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time is oversold, as you know what. ETH continuing to fall. Yeah, minus 5%. I'm expecting this dump, and I'm just not quite sure how much it's gonna be. The best case scenario, this is some kind of spring, and we just bounce off of that. But right now, right now we are having this airside divergence, but I don't think it's gonna hold. I don't think it's gonna hold airside divergence. Bitcoin is bearish, do not fall for it, do not. We'll see. It's struggling. No, it's not struggling, it's doing fine, man. It's green, man, it's green. I don't know what you guys are talking about. I said, like, if you want some kind of you know, some kind of stop loss, some kind of you know, you want to be you know, sure about something, watch for the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame. Okay, this is the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame. So if you do get into trade or something like that, watch where we are on the 20 moving average. You can see here clearly that the Bitcoin is following 20 moving average to the dot on the 4-hourly time frame. So once when we are above the 20 moving average, we are bullish. When we are below, we are bearish. Right now bullish because we are above it, but if we start falling below the 20 moving average, you know, take your precautions, guys, take your precautions. Consolidating for a big move down. How much down are you gonna go, man? How much down? You just went down from 60 to 30k within 2 weeks, and then you are consolidating, and then you want to go down even more, like 80% in 3 weeks. Michael altcoin. That's guys, Michael is our new moderator, so respect the authority. Michael altcoin isn't in the TA fans club though, I can see that. Michael, get the grip, join the TA fans club. I prefer your shorter format videos. Yeah, I know. You know, this is just live, you know, live, you know, to chat with the people and stuff like that. VeChain dropping hard. I think everything is right now gonna start going. Okay, now we can start looking at the altcoins, and you can see here that everything got this level of support right now that are gonna drop to. The first level for XRP, for example, is right over here at 84. But you know, we have also this level down here that it actually might drop. But right now everything is getting pushed to the downside, guys. Everything is getting pushed to the downside, so be prepared for the dump. But the dump cannot last forever, right? The dump cannot last forever. So you know, at one point it has to, you know, recover a little bit depending on how fast this actually goes. Alts are bleeding badly. Yeah, alts are bleeding. I prefer audio video. Thanks for content. Ah, you're welcome. It should be. I only respect online authorities. With the real ones I'm fighting. That's good. Thanks. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. So you can see, guys, like let's see, Matic is already below the support and it's dropping hard. This is the support. You can see the supports on the 4 hourly really nicely. Put it up there. So you can see here it's already closed it for the 2nd hour and it's going down. Let's see if Matic has the RSI divergence. Yeah, Matic has RSI divergence, guys. Matic has RSI divergence. See, the price is going down, the RSI is going up. So unless we fall even more down, you know, that can hold. We won't be actually know if we're gonna have the RSI divergence or not, because it's 2 hours and 24 minutes left. So you know, this can just continue dumping. There will be no RSI divergence. The best case scenario, we get RSI divergence. We get that pump to the upside, you know. Do you love Bitcoin has bottomed out, or should we expect 28k? I don't know why people are expecting 28k. We went to 28k. Technically, we went to 20. This over here went down to 30k. This one went to 29.8. This dump over here went all the way down to 31. Actually, on the dollar, 31,000. 31,000. But 28k is like how much percent down from that? 28k is over here, like that's 10% down. But if you go like 28.9, which people are also considering to be 28k, that's like only 6% down. So you know, from the bottom over here, so technically we are already down. So people that want to buy, they bought. T-Fuel and Theta, yeah, let's what's happening with T-Fuel, guys? T-Fuel minus 9, down at minus 10%. I'm not actually quite sure, but it was actually not following Bitcoin that well, and it was just riding big to the upside. But right now it's going through some kind of correction or something like that right now on the daily. Let's see, 77 down here. Let's see on the weekly time frame. It's not at the overbought levels. It actually went through correction before, so actually correction is finished. Right now it just pumped too much. I think this is gonna continue pumping, so I don't think I have any worries about T-Fuel right now. It's looking actually quite nice. It did break this you know, rising channel over here. It did break the rising channel though. It did break the rising channel, the trend. So it did break the trend over here, so that's not a good thing. That's not a good thing. But maybe there are other channels, maybe there are channels. But right now, if you, this is on the 4 hour, if you look at it on the daily, let's remove all the moving averages over here. Let's look at it like this and see if on the daily are we break. Yeah, we are breaking it on daily as well. Maybe that's not a good thing though. That's not a good thing. But you know, yeah, it's getting support. It's getting support on the 10 moving average down up here. So you know, it might always just go sideways. But it did go up high. How much did it do? It did like 100% exactly on the dollar, almost 102%. Michael is getting his paycheck. Hit that like button. I sold all my altcoins. How do you put 100k in coins? ETH and BTC 50-50? I don't know, man. However you want. Figure out what you have most faith in and enjoy. 3 members. Did I miss one member over here? Oh, there we go. Steve Austin, TI Fans Club. Man, welcome to the club. Welcome to the TI Fans Club. Thanks for joining, man. Thanks for joining. Now you can post a really cool emojis. Self-made, you know. Why are you giving me so much hopium, bro? Because it is hopium, guys. It is hopium. I don't know why everybody is bearish right now. I'm saying that we might dump a little bit down, which we are actually doing, but just like altcoins are technically bearish. Anything you look at altcoins, they are bearish, but Bitcoin is bullish. I'm telling you guys, Bitcoin is bullish. And right now you can see here that on the 4 hourly we are breaking 10 moving average, but that doesn't matter. If we start breaking this 20 moving average on the downside over here, that's when we are having problems. But right now there is no problems. We are just breaking the 10 moving average, no problems. 10 moving average is sitting at 36,170, 36.2. So if you start breaking this level down here on the 4 hourly time frame, then you can start to worry. But until then, like, there's no problem. What are your thoughts on ADA? ADA is also an altcoin like everything else, minus 7.10% right now. You can see my very nice lines over here. We can remove that, and everything has right now the same pattern over here. Right, there was some kind of triangle or something going on over here, right? It should be actually all the way up here because you can see the drop happening. Right now the drop happened, we went up, we got rejected by the moving averages, and right now dropping really hard. Now this is a too fast drop to actually continue going down, I think, but it is dropping pretty severely right now down. So what I'm actually thinking, before I was actually thinking that everything is going to drop really hard, but Bitcoin being bullish, you know, it doesn't feel that it's just going to continue going down. So what I'm thinking, like, yes, we might actually go down here, but then I'm hoping we might actually get this right now. You can see here this level up here is broken right now, so we got a this is low, this is lower low, so the price is actually going down over here right now, but RSI is still going up. So I'm hoping this might actually stop after 2 hours or something like that, get some kind of bottom in, and then tomorrow we can start pumping on a Sunday. Maybe that's it. Kovan Barin, 50 kruner. BTC bearish divergence on daily, is it confirmed? Yeah, pretty much. So where is the BTC? Over here on the daily BTC, it is pretty much confirmed. So there is no way around this, but it only depends on how this is gonna play out. It looks like this is called hidden bearish divergence. Price is going down, RSI is going up. We had the red candle. This green candle doesn't seem that it will actually bounce towards the upside. So right now, you know, what's a confirmation? It's really hard to explain. I won't say this confirmation because, you know, it can explode today, it can go tomorrow. But if you start breaking the 20 moving average or 10 moving average today over here, then you're pretty much concerned. But you know, the bearish divergence doesn't mean that we are gonna go all the way down to 29,000. We can just get pulled a little bit back down or something like that, and then continue going up. How much this hidden bearish divergence is gonna affect the price, you know, nobody knows. I even saw that the moon, you know, the moon from the channel, the moon with the 400k subs, he was talking about divergence on the 1 hourly, and he was asking his his viewers about, you know, how many candles does divergence actually hold, because even he doesn't know, nobody knows. And I'm saying it goes until you get some kind of a pivot point, you get you know, trend breaking of the trend, right? Breaking of trend. So we can look at this over here and maybe look at it on 1 hourly time frame or something like that, and see when it starts going down over here. Maybe this is some kind of trend that's going on right over here, right? So we can say this divergence is actually finished when you break this line over here. So you go up the 4 hourly, sorry, the daily time frame up here, and look at it over here. We can say that you know, we can say that we are done with the divergence once we break the line, something like that. 10-50% down max next few weeks. I don't think that's gonna go that much. Maybe how much is that actually? How much is 10-50% right now? Right now 10-50% is 10%. Oh, that's like 32,000. 50%, 31. I don't think we're gonna get to these kind of levels. I know everybody's hoping for these kind of levels. I don't think we are, because if we start going to these kind of levels up here, you know, all the shorters will start closing their position, because, you know, they're gonna be scared, because right now all the shorters open the position here. So you have to go up, you know, just you know, liquidate the shorters. Hello guys, welcome to the Goon. I'm so bullish. I just kidding. Isn't it forming head and shoulders on the daily? Head and formed on the daily? No, I don't think there is a head. Yeah, maybe it's a long shot. I see what you mean, man. I see. You think like shoulder, then head, and right now there will be kind of next shoulder. Sure, but it's so far out. It's so far out. It's a big assumption. It's a big assumption. I hope it works out, you know. But it's a long shot. It's a long shot. I tried to tell you BTC will be going down. You didn't want to listen, the doctor. Going down to where? Joy DeFarco. How low much is Bitcoin going down? Because just because it goes down like something like this over here and then continues going, it's not down. What time frame are you talking about? Today, tomorrow? Because today, technically, entire day we have been holding up here. Where did the day start? down up here. Like we've been holding almost above the like over here. Like you cannot say that this is down. On Friday, June 11, a total of 565 million in Bitcoin options are set to expire. This is significant because the last couple of weeks have been a massive deception for the bulls. So on Friday, June 11, that's today. What does that mean? Now, Joy, I'm really, yeah, the contract expired today. So what that is when contracts expire? What does that mean? Like, what are we expecting? That's, man, you're one of the best out there for crypto. You and the coins kid. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Ulysses Frb. We are going down to find buying volume. Every time there is a spike, the volume decreases. Now, I'm just waiting for Joey DeFranco to explain me what the options expiring does mean for the Bitcoin price and why, you know, if they're expiring, does that mean we are going to go up, or is expiring mean we are going to go down? Contracts expire today, so alt's going to zero. RIP. Agree, you and Siki are the best. Mute Umesh, please. Good guys. Stay strong, kids. These dumps are just to make you sell diamond hands. Stay strong, be patient, don't listen to the fear. Hype, all the best. There are pumpy BTC, so they wouldn't lose the 560. So you mean they were pumping BTC from what? So BTC fell down here and they were pumping it from these levels down here up to here. So they were pumping it how much? 20% up, just they won't lose. Do you know what numbers everybody is waiting for on the contracts? What if they actually drop the price all the way down here? Drop the price all the way down here, and right now they are just holding the price here for expiration, and once the expiration expires, then they pump the price. Because I'm not quite sure how the options are working, but there must be some kind of price, you know, everybody's betting on. So what if they betted on this price over here, you know, up here, so, you know, they push the price down there, and right now, you know, once that finishes, it can go up. Because Joey DeFranco, after they expire, they have no reason to pump. When options expire, they have no reasons to pump. I don't get that. Like you have to explain a little bit better than that, man. I don't get that. Daddy, can you tell me when Cardano will rise up? Soon, man, soon. I think soon. I'm gonna read a little bit on the options, guys, because, you know, options expiring, not expiring, like what's the price? Because I'm not all the way there, but I just don't get it. Like, I understand the options that are expiring right now, right? I don't know if these are quarterly or what options, but you know, after option expire, there are some new options that are going to expire in a month's time, right? Or 2 months or 3 months, right? There are some new options that are going to be set, right? And if those options are set, then they have the reason to push the price to whatever the price target they actually set to, right? So the way I see it, when these options expire right now, then we have ultimately very good reason to pump, because maybe their target is all the way up here. Also, guys, also do not forget, guys, do not forget, moon phases. It's been predicted. It's in the books, guys. You see the moon phases. How can you forget the moon? Say here, every time we go from the full or from the new to the, I don't know what kind of month it is, but you know, we are following the drops, right? We are following the drop. The moon phases has been gave us the prophecy, and right now the moon phases are telling us that we're gonna go up. You can see here from all of these black to the white moons, you can see all the way it's just going up every time, right? Every time it's going up. You can see up, 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 all the way up every time from the black moon to the white moon, up, up, up. So what do you think is going to happen now? The moon phases, guys, the best indicator out there. There was a solar eclipse in Norway. There was a solar eclipse in Tromsø in Norway. JK, hey man, love your streams. What's your overall take on alts over the coming month? Are the alts done, or is everyone waiting to see what BTC does? I think BTC is oversold. I think BTC needs to go a little bit up. I think everything is gonna move very, very hard very soon. I'm very bullish. Yo, bro, I appreciate all the nice analysis. What about XRP? XRP is, you know, following XRP and Ethereum and everything else. Right now minus 3.33% down, and let's see how it's actually playing out. So what we are looking for on the XRP right now, it's you know, we are looking for to break this level down here, break down here, and then maybe it can drop, but it doesn't look good. You know, all alts, including XRP and ADA and Cardano and BTT and whatever you want to look at, everything looks very, very bearish. Everything on the 4-hourly, everything is below the moving averages. It's getting pushed down. Everything looks terrible, especially when you look at when you draw some kind of resistance, support line over here, and you see that you know, which broke that, we tried to go up, we got rejected. Right now we're pushing back down again. It just looks terrible, you know. But then you go to the BTC and look at BTC, and on the BTC, like, everything is very, very bullish. So there is kind of discrepancy between the altcoins and BTC right now, so nobody is actually don't know what's actually happening. By the way, I'm a super heavy XRP hodler. Nice. I thought they had telephonic court today, right? I'm not quite sure what's happening with XRP. End of June, we're gonna pump so hard. A solar eclipse is a negative, so that's why this month we go sideways. What do you get from Telcoin? Not much. There is zero volume on alts. No way they can pump for this time being. You know, you want zero volume. It's when there is zero volume. You know, the let's see how the Bollinger Bands. You know, this might be one of the few times we can actually use Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands, there is Bollinger Bands. Let's use Bollinger Bands. You know, this but let's use it on the daily, and you can see here right now the price is getting squeezed. So you're looking for these squeezes on the Bollinger Band. You're looking for these squeezes, right? You know, when it's getting squeezed, you see something's gonna happen, guys. See, something's gonna happen. You know, you see the squeeze, something's happen, right? The squeeze, we like the squeeze over here, squeeze, right? Squeeze. This is the 20 moving average on the you know, the squeeze. We are looking for the squeeze. So the Bollinger Bands are very good for the squeezes, or squeezes nicely. Something right now it's getting squeezed, so something is gonna happen right now. And we have been to the upper part. We have been going sideways. We've been see here on the Bollinger Bands. These close down here at exactly on the bottom of the Bollinger Band. But right now we are above the above the Bollinger Bands, and we might actually continue going up. So TLA says sell all and sell all the alts and invest in BTC. I didn't say that, man. I did not say that. You see here, and you know, when you go down, hit some kind of bottoms, you get above this 20 moving average and pump, hit some kind of bottoms, then you get above it. So you know, that might actually be it. So we're gonna see how this plays out. We're gonna see how this plays out. But even Bollinger Bands are saying something has to happen. You know, you cannot get squeezed into forever over here, especially with Bitcoin. Like, you cannot go like this forever. Like, I mean, sure you can. You know, technically you can, but it's just like thinking that we have just been through one of the biggest uptrends ever and one of the fastest downtrends ever. It's really insane to think that, you know, this can hodl for a long time and we are just gonna go sideways. It can happen, sure, it can happen, technically it can happen, but you know, I don't think, unless you're a dumb like me and FOMO into Theta. Did you FOMO into Theta, man? Thoughts on G7? I don't know what's gonna happen with G7, man. I'm not hard into politics, but I do hope they make legal Bitcoin legal tender all over the 7 countries, right? Emma Ribbon, a 4-hour turning bullish. Let's see, Emma Ribbon. I'm not quite good at ribbons. What's the ribbon that? Does anybody know the name of the ribbon that the moon is using? You know, the moon. Does anybody know the name of the ribbon? ICP, bro, please. It's going down. You don't have to look at ICP, man. You don't have to go to the chart. You know, you can just do like something like this and see. Wait, I didn't mean to press that. You can just see like ICP, 1 day, Binance. Okay, so this is you know, Binance, and here's the chart. There you go. That's the chart for the ICP, and then you have some kind of line here that we just crossed, and we are just going down. We have been going down ever since we launched. We are still we have been bleeding this period here, and we are still going down here. So you know, ICP is still bleeding. There is literally no bottom right now. It's really hard to analyze ICP got a lot of bad wrecked. Yeah, it just wrecked a lot of people. Like ICP, I'm gonna show you ICP right now. It looks terrible. It looks terrible. I know people are hoping that, like, look at this. See, it went down and then went sideways and bam, down. Like I told you, like it first went down, then went sideways down, then right now it's going down again. So, you know, what am I gonna tell you? Like, I'm gonna be super bullish on ICP when I see some kind of technicals here. They're saying that this is the bottom, but right now nothing is saying that this is the bottom. That's the problem. You know, this is daily chart. Right now we are hitting some kind of yeah, okay, we're hitting some kind of really low levels here on the daily. What's that? That's 19 or something like that, but you know, it never stops, because in some you know, when you're having this much bleeding, you can stay in these oversold levels. This 4 hourly, this is daily. See, the 4 hourly is staying down here at 20 numbers. I can show you NAS. Do you know what, guys, what NAS is? You know, Norwegian air shuttle company. This is funny. You gotta see NAS, guys. You gotta see NAS. Look at this. It just tried dropping. It just continues dropping, right? If you look at this on the weekly time frame, it's even funnier. Like it just keep on dropping. It has no end. Look at the RSI, guys. Look at the RSI. Here is the best lesson on RSI. It went down to some kind of 20 levels. Look at this. This is the RSI on Norwegian air shuttle. You know, so when people are looking at the ICP, right, and saying, oh, this must be the bottom because this and that indicator is telling me that's the bottom. All right, you have to understand that indicators are only relative, you know, compared to something. But when you're going down, you're just going down forever until you actually find. I regret selling VeChain. Hit the like and subscribe. Listen to the Michael altcoin. What's wrong with Ethereum and if BTC goes up? How do we know if it's a short-term dead cat bounce? It stops going up. If it doesn't stop going up, it's not a short dead cat bounce. But if it stops going up, then we can call it dead cat bounce. We don't actually know, man. We have some kind of resistance lines on the way to the top, right? And we are hoping that it might actually break those resistance lines. But if those resistance lines are holding the price down, we might be in for a bad move. Do you think it's a good idea to long above the BTC resistance? The Moon made a video about it. Yeah, of course. That's how, you know, that's how the Moon is actually making money. So the Moon is a trader. He likes to trade patterns. He likes only to trade patterns. Patterns are a lot more. He looks at other kinds of technicals as well. Moon is actually quite decent in tech analysis, like, but you know, he waits for the breakout because he knows buying here or when it's unconfirmed, you know, you might go down. So he waits for the breakout, he waits for the volume, and then he gets in. Alexander Marks, BRL5, I don't know what it is, but thanks, man, I appreciate that. If BTC goes up now, is it better to go all in on BTC and get out of altcoins? Cannot tell you that because we don't know what the altcoins are gonna do. We don't know what altcoins are gonna, because altcoins have been bleeding, but if Bitcoin right now pumps hard, I think altcoins are also gonna pump hard. Right now Bitcoin is going sideways, alts are going down. Blood in the street next week, G7 summit and dead cross, bad time to be in crypto. You see, D Baker, you see blood on the streets means that it's not bad time. Didn't you watch Alessio Restani? What is Alessio Restani always saying? Blood in the street means buy, buy, buy. Dead cross, G7 summon, all the FUD, right? That's a buy opportunity, man. Doing opposite of the Moon. Yeah, that's the one thing to do. But actually, guys, the Moon is actually pretty decent on tech analysis. He understands tech. He only shorts parts of the tech analysis because, you know, he makes Bybit videos, right? But he knows his stuff, guys. I hate when those guys shill all their links. You know, they gotta make money. Now, I don't approve shilling Bybit links because everybody that actually uses those links get burned like hell. That's why they can give like $1,600, you know, once you sign up and transfer some, because they know you're gonna lose everything. So they know like 99%, 97% gonna lose the money that we even giving them, and we're gonna, you know, get the rest of the money as well. So they have all the statistic and all calculations already done. So they know we can give you that much money, because we know, you know, most of you guys are gonna lose it. It's the same way when you come to the casino. If you go to Las Vegas and you sit at the table, right, and you put a lot of money down there, then you will see this nice lady come over to you and see like, oh, you are playing with a lot of money. Here are free drinks. Here are some extra, you know, extra money you can play with. You can eat free in our bar. You can drink free in the bar. You can eat free in the restaurant. Here's a free room for you. Here's a free lady for you. Because if you got enough, because they know you're gonna lose all of that and all the money, and it's gonna pay for everything, right? And that's something that the more, you know, the Bybit is doing. They're giving you free money, but technically it's not free money, because you're gonna lose that. Most people, 97% are gonna lose that. Scare money, don't make money. If you're a good trader, you don't need to chill. No, you still need to chill, man. You don't know how much the moon is actually making on these Bybit links, man. It's insane money. It's insane money, I can tell you that. You look at the moon's timeline, man, alive. Have you heard about CommRocket? I think everybody heard about CommRocket after the Elon Musk posted, man. Are you always bullish? Not always. I was quite bearish. I started being bearish up here. And you know, because this you know, this pump to the upside was actually I was actually hoping that this can continue, and I have been keeping the optimism all the way up here. But after this dump down here, I was like, nope, something is not right over here. And then I I start being bullish. So I've been start being a little bit bearish on downside. We went to this down trap over here. Even sometimes over here I was you know, keeping the optimism up, you know, but right now I'm a lot more. I can tell you that in this part over here, right now I'm a lot more bullish than I have been like previously. Like right now I'm a super bullish technically. Can you go over Harmony 1, please, bro? It's not doing anything, man. It's not doing anything. You can ask me like what you want to know about Harmony 1, because right now it's just bleeding into the downside, just like everything else. If you know, Harmony gets these nice pumps over here. You can see this nice pump over here that you got like 35% from time to time. Like everything gets a pump on like 30-40% from time to time on a daily. But that's just the bait. You gotta zoom out and you gotta see the bigger picture. Big picture is the downside. So you know, ask the right questions, get the right answer. But you know. What do you think about a PNS pump indicator on the daily? I have absolutely no what PNS pump indicator. Yeah, the same as other altcoins, just boring. PNS, what else? God damn it! God damn it, you got me, man. PNS. Now I have to make an indicator called P.NES just reclaim my respect. God damn it. Nice, very nice, man. Mandrew, very nice. Now you have to join the TI fans club. Guys, you can be early investor. You can be early penis pump. Penis pump indicator. God damn it, I fell for that. I don't know how I fell for that. Usually I'm the one to see them. Can we get a custom emoji for that? For penis pump. Yeah, I can. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna make a penis pump. You're gonna write like something like this. Like I said, that TLA penis pump. You know, and you're gonna get this penis pump indicator. Your channel is undervalued. I hope 100k by end of the year, man. I hope that as well, man. It's gonna be hard, but I'm hoping that we continue this bull run, because that's when you know, all these YouTubers are gaining, rolling in the big fish. Maybe can you check Theta mainnet launch on 30 June? The problem with mainnet launch is they are priced in. Everything is always priced in, especially in the mainnet launch. Nothing will happen, guys. Nothing will happen. What do you think is gonna happen on mainnet launch? That everybody is gonna suddenly buy the Theta? No, it's not, man. Nothing's gonna happen. They just launched. Nothing is happening. You know, zero is happening on a Theta launch. Like when people, you know, before the date, you know, nobody knows, and but then people are buying in, and you know, the rumor, you know, they're gonna have the main launch at one point. And then comes the news, Theta launch on the 30th, and then everybody buys in, and then, you know, go up to the actual the date of the news, and then people sell, right? but not actually that. People buy the rumor that Theta might have mainnet launch like 2 years ahead. Then they buy the Theta, and then when they announce the launch, we're gonna, you know, have Theta on the 30th. That's when the guys that bought the rumor like 2 years prior start selling, because that's when the hype you guys are buying. And then you come to the, you know, Theta launch, and then nothing happens because it's already priced in. You have to buy the rumor that can happen, not the news about something, you know. Even buying the news on Theta launch the 30th is bad, you know. You have to buy the rumor. You have to go back a long back time. Anyone can have an opinion on inflation on the USD. Is this enough to make cryptocurrency a household phenomenon? I think you know, it might happen. It might happen. But you know, everybody's looking for some kind of yeah, I'm not really good with inflation, so hit the like button for penis. Michael. This is the best EA stream. Yeah, we're just trying to figure out. By the way, here's your rising wedge on the Theta. Here's the breakout of the rising wedge, and the 30th is something around here. This is the 30th of the 30th of the June, right? I think you said 30th of the June, so I don't know quite what is going to happen, if it's going to go down here and then continue going up or a little bit up. So, you know, 30th June. What's happening in Bitcoin? Ethereum down minus 5%, Bitcoin is 0.7% up. Bro, you're making anxious about Theta. No, sorry, Rita Braga. Brother, sorry, it's not that Theta is actually bad or anything like that, like, but that's just how things work. Guys, I bought the EOS launch, mainnet launch. I don't know if you got that, but you know, when EOS was launching, you know, the mainnet and stuff like that, I bought that. I know how these things work. Nothing happens. The hype is when they say, okay, we're gonna launch. That's the hype, you know. But the rumor is that they might launch sometime in you know, a couple of years' time. So if you know some project that they might launch some mainnet, you know, 1 or 2 years ahead of time, that's the projects to get in, because when that time comes, that's the time to sell. Not the time of the mainnet launch, but when they announce the mainnet launch, that's the time to sell. Reason: money is flowing from alts to BTC as safe haven. From alts to BTC as safe haven. Don't know, man. Don't know. Maybe it can be that. Not quite sure what's happening. That's why this thing between altcoins and BTC is really weird, because BTC is like going up and everything is bleeding, so there is no correlation anymore. And you know, everybody's like, what's up? Matic, bro, Matic. Nothing is happening with Matic. I check Matic for you, but like it's like minus 7%. It's going down. It's slowly bleeding towards some kind of number. Let's see here. Moving averages over here. No, this is BNB. We don't need BNB. All right, now it's breaking the 50 moving average on the daily, which is not actually good. On 4 hourly, just below everything right now. It's just bleeding down. Daily going below the 50 moving average, but you know, going below something doesn't mean it's close below something. So we don't. But you see here previously that this might be some kind of bottom, because you know, 50 moving average held over here, 50 moving average right now, the 50 moving average. So if this holds and we don't start falling down there, this might be the bottom. So you know, hopium. But there's clearly some kind of pattern over here. I just don't want to use you know, ton of time figuring out the pattern. But there is something going on over here. Maybe it's some kind of falling wedge or something like that. So you know, considering the falling wedge, considering the 50 moving average, you know, this might actually go up. Nice. Pure entertainment. Thank you, man. I appreciate it. I like that you guys like the stream. I like the stream, you know. I like my streams best when I'm bullish, when I'm feeling good, when I think that there is hope in this world, you know. And you know, the El Salvador news, you know, everybody, you know, when the news broke, we were watching the live stream on the Telegram, and you know, I thought like, oh yeah, it's big news. It's gonna be a legal tender and everything, right? And then like, but I was like, man, I'm not not quite sure how this is gonna be accepted by the, you know, by the community and stuff like that. And then I heard that EMF sent some kind of emergency team to El Salvador, you know, the International Money Fund, or international, yeah, they sent some emergency team that is gonna have the meeting with the El Presidente, you know, in El Salvador, about, you know, what they did, because I don't think this was actually supposed to happen. So right now I'm actually bullish because they actually did it, because I think it was not supposed to happen, you know, so they're doing something they're not supposed to be doing. So, you know, good thing. Share the late adopter and I will invite all of you to party in Norway in October. PS, take some jackets with you. Share the late adopter and I'll let, oh yeah guys, share the late adopter everywhere, all the streams, all the channels, and the Ron will invite us to party in Norway in October. Take some jackets. Yeah, it's cold in Norway. It's, you know, here in Norway there is like you know, 12 months in a year, just like everywhere else, but 9 of those months are cold. Coinskid's in the chat. Yo, dude, everybody say hello to Coinskid. Coinskid, how do you feel today? Do you feel we are bullish or bearish? I'm feeling very, very bullish. I don't know about you, man, but right now I'm feeling ecstatic. Like, I think we have to go up. I think there might come some kind of dump, but I think we overall I think we might actually pump to the upside. I think we pop to the upside. Coinskid in the house. TLI pump. Coinskid is bullish. Bullish on BTC. Yeah, how about altcoins? Yeah, everybody's bullish on BTC. We can see that. Party, thank you, Ron. Oh, Ron, 500 bucks. That's a lot of money. I didn't even notice that. Dude, that's a lot of money. I don't know, but I want to know your trades, man. So on Patreon, I want to hear what you invested in. Okay, send me a message. Tell me what you invested in. Tell me how you making money. You know, I want to know. 500 bucks, man. Ron is the champ. Not only is Ron the champ on the channel, he changed his name from don't remember, but Ron is changed his name. He also joined the Patreon, and right now he's the very first early adopter on the YouTube members TI fans club. CK bullish, the fans club. Yeah, CK has CK has to join TF fans club, guys. I would like to interview the late adopter Coinskid and Ben Cohen. Ben Cohen, how did you? Yeah, I'm not. I don't think I'm the same. You know, the same. I don't think I'm the same category as Cohen, man. He does some really long-term statistical analysis. CK, what do you think of Super Farm? Adopt me, Ron. I'm broke. There you go, Ron. People want you to adopt them. Ron the Adopter. Yeah, that's your name, right? Ron Adopter. Yeah, you got to adopt people, man. You done now. Do you think there will ever be a coin which is not correlated with BTC? Yeah, there are coins right now that are not correlated with BTC, man. I'm so late to the party. Which way is BTC going? Maybe a little bit down, but mostly up. Mostly up. Kebman, Ron, Romanian Leo. The late adopter is the main man. Thanks, man. No, but you gotta have 160k. You know, the numbers are actually showing the penis length, penis pump, p dot nest pump. Ron has been to the moon. Yeah, Ron has been to the moon and back, maybe even to the Mars. I don't know how far he's gone. iWife for the wife now. Yeah, it's coming. By the way, guys, about iPhone, I'm waiting until the fall, because the new iPhone 13 or iPhone 12s or whatever they're gonna call it is coming. So I'm gonna buy the newest of the newest for the wife. I wait to the next one. Well done, Ron. Well done. Klinger oscillator on Klinger oscillator on weekly. What's Klinger oscillator, man? Klinger oscillator. There is actually something called Klinger oscillator. What does this do, man, on the weekly? Okay, let's see the weekly. Let's see if we can figure it out. Okay, so I have absolutely no clue what this does. So what is this? what is this doing actually over here? So this is going below it, this is going above it, so it's really choppy though, it's really choppy. So anytime you're, let's see this on BLM. How can we actually abuse this? So we are just oversold, basically oversold levels, right? Is that what we are looking at? That we are oversold levels, right? Klinger oscillator. Never seen this, man. Never seen this, man. I like looking at some kind of indicators, you know, but I don't rely that much on it. How nice it would be to have an interview. Yeah. Very nice job. Keep up your greetings from the Netherlands. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Maj, does the Kusama chart analyze som du ser? Ah, Kusama, sure. I will mach das Kusama chart. Kusama is here in my main chart. That's Kusama. Kusama ist uppåtgående trend, gåen, and on the nog it's gåen down there. It's price is gåen down, gehen down. Ville se if the price maha go up. Måste pattern on the Kusama is berries down the berries because the channel the wedge up. Thank you, that's Kusama. I do appreciate Rob, man, seriously. For Coinskid, he deserves it. Send it some way. All the bets contain very good content. Man, I'll do that. Coinskid, next time you make a live, you are not make live. We're gonna figure out how I can send the money to Coinskid, man. Don't worry. We'll do it. We'll join CoinKids. CoinKids, I'll join your Patreon for 1 month and pay you 500 RON, okay? TLA best beer in TI. Yeah, I haven't seen anybody else. Like, I've seen quite a few beers, but this sounds very strange, even from a person from the Netherlands. Very nice for doing the analysis for us. Yeah, you're welcome, man. I do what I can. Can you check on ETC, please? Yeah, why not, man? It's not doing anything much, but let's see ETC. It's all the way up here on my chart, somewhere here. Minus 1.8% actually. Let's pop some moving averages up here, just see the trend. The trend is actually to the downside, still below all the moving averages. So, you know, it got to find some kind of support. There might be some kind of support over here. Let's see if there is some kind of support over here. Maybe. It's hard to tell. These are not being very helpful. Something like this. There you go. So we might be actually sitting in some kind of support down here. Maybe, you know, we can actually blow out. But if you start breaking to the downside over here and start going below and closing below this trend line over here, that doesn't look good. But, you know, you take what you get. Right now there is some kind of, I know, because there is 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, really nice support line. So, you know, if this support line holds over here, you know, it's good. But if you start breaking the support line, it's not looking good. You know, there's that. There is Coinskid. Coinskid, you can make money on my live chat. Every time I have a live chat, just come to the party. You know, you can make money over here. Provides very nice TA, especially when combined with analysis from the TK and who's TK? BC Bencon. See, you mean CK and Bencon? Is it gonna hit 40k or 30k first? I think it's gonna hit probably 40k first. I think. How low do you think? That's for Coinskid. Yeah, I won't ask Coinskid. Coinskid and Later are the best. I like Coinskid. Once you've been down at the lows together, you know, you stick for life, you know. And we've been all both down at 5k now. The problem is he wanted to get to the moon first, so he pumped his numbers to 160k, you know. And I'm waiting for the next bull run to pump my numbers, you know. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. He'd like because you like the beard. So what time is down? Let's check the BTC on the 1 hourly chart, guys. Let's check the BTC on the 1 hourly. Let's first see what's happening on the 4 hourly. over here. We are picking a little bit back up. We had a red candle down here, but it does look good, guys. Here's the thing. Oh no, let's check the 1 hourly chart right now. It kind of trying to hold this moving average, but I think that we might actually drop a little bit down here. There is some kind of triangle going on 1 hourly. So on 1 hourly, watch this triangle, guys. Watch the triangle. The triangle is important. Now, considering that all the altcoins right now are actually looking kind of that want to drop, this might actually drop to the downside a little bit. Now if you look at this on the daily chart, the little bit move down might actually go only down to the 20-50 moving average, somewhere around here, right? So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for 4 hourly to hit the 20 moving average, go down, hit the 20 moving average, and then continue going up. But if you should break the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly time frame, then I will be starting getting worried a little bit about more dump to the downside. But right now the only downside I see is actually the 20 moving average before we actually get back up again, because to me this over here looks like some small version that's gonna happen of this. So there was a big version up here where we faked out down, and right now this looks like a small version of the fake out down to the upside again. So that might happen because these fractals do repeat in charts for whatever reason. If you see some big pattern, the probability that the small same kind of pattern is gonna come, it helps. Hope that will not come a big tsunami. No, I don't think so. Patrick, I think I still see good, but it becomes so nice times, so I'm starting celebrating already. Ron, respected. Ron is shiny beacon with Ronnie crypto still. Yeah, Ron is the man. Ron's the man in the world. Just joking. You guys, you see that Ron got the number 1 next to his name. That's because he's an early adopter in the TA fans club. So check it out on the channel page if you want to join the TAs. Right now we have 3 members, very early, guys. TL, did you shout out the CK bro John for his 40th birthday? Is his name John? Dude, are you 40 years old? Is CK 40 years old? No way. Wait, CK. Give my bro John a shout out 40, bro. Oh, okay. John, congratulations on your birthday. Happy 40 years, the age and everything. I myself like 38, 39, so we are about the same age. I hope you're doing well. Enjoy I don't know who John is at CK, but enjoy the birthday. Hope you're having a nice time, and I think Bitcoin is gonna go a little bit more up, so I hope that it happens on your birthday, maybe today, whatever your birthday is. Anyways, man, take care, good luck. Telcon looks good to me, love the vids, mate. Danny, $2, I'll do it for you, man, I'll do it for you. Telcon, let's see. Telcon, I got it somewhere. I just wanna, it's I think we did the Telcon for not so long ago. Let's see what's happening with Telcon right now, and pop some lines over here right now. There should be something over like this over here, right? Give or take. Depends on how you draw it. It's really not that precise, but we take what we have, right? And there is this tops up here, there's bottoms down here. Right now we're getting into some kind of triangle. Whichever way we break on Telcoin, that's the dominant way right now. But it can be some of these fake outs. We already have 2 fake outs. Big fake out, second fake out, so we might actually have another fake out as well. So watch out for fake outs, because I think everything's gonna have a fake out, and then we're gonna continue to the upside. I don't know, but right now we are in a triangle, whichever side we break. That's how the tech analysis work. Like, we don't know what's gonna happen, but when it breaks out, that's where the traders go. Hi, Crypto saying BTC weekly RSI is at 2, so a big pump should be coming. Do you agree? Of course I agree, Tomislav. Of course I just showed people on the Patreon today that the Crypto today. I showed the people on my Patreon today that Crypto is right now talking about something I've been talking for a long time, and that's weekly oversold levels. You know, I got this indicator down here, my own indicator, very nice indicator, shows you the oversold levels, overbought levels, very nice indicator. You can see down here, this only happened 4 times before. Now on the Crypto, he's saying this happened 5 times because he's using stochastics, but this kind of overbought levels only happened 4 times before. So first time here on the big dump here after 2017 bull run, the capitulation phase of the 2017 bull run, the Corona dump, and right now this dump over here. These kind of levels down here only happened 3 times before. This is 4 times since 2017. In 40 years, they happened 4 times. So we are in definitely some kind of overbought levels. And I've been saying this for a long time right now. And you can see here, every time this happens, we have a pump up to the 10 moving average. Up here we have a pump to the 10 moving average up here. Right over here we have a pump to the 10 moving average, and right over here what I'm expecting right now is a pump to the 10 moving average, and 10 moving average is right now at exactly at $47,000. So this week I'm expecting pump to the $47,000, but next week is, you know, because the moving average is going to be a little lower, maybe 45,000. And if it goes to next week, I'm expecting maybe not 47,000, but maybe something like 45,000 somewhere, something like over here. But yeah, today he's talking about something I've been talking for a long time, but then I don't have 400k euros or 160 like CK to get enough acknowledgement for my TA. But you know, you guys that are following me have known this for a long time. That's why I've been bullish on Bitcoin for a long time as well. Telcoin, nothing much. Yeah, nothing much about Telcoin. It's in some kind of you know, triangle. So you know, if it goes out of the triangle, you know, it goes up, it goes down, it goes down. Then you have to check the chart every 5 minutes, Kedvik. Yeah. Ooh, I might have bought too much than Rita, brother. How low will the XRP drop to before the bull run? Not quite sure. Bencoin is just ranting on Twitter. He should join the live stream. Then we have TLA, CK, and BTC in one stream. Yeah, better than Bitcoin. You know, you should go to the Ben and tell him to come here. Ben Cohen. Is Ben Cohen having live right now? No, he's not having live right now. Marketplace APM is having live right now. Who's having live right now on Bitcoin? Bitcoin live. Let's see. Well, I am, and then we got some kind of She's Crypto, Target Hit. Yeah, he's doing just, but you know, there's nobody doing live. Probably not the best time to do live. Thanks, TLA. You're welcome. Ben Cohen is twittering. He's only on Twitter. BTC is pushing upper trend line again. It is? Yeah, BTC up 2%. I'm telling you guys, BTC is so bullish. Like, it's insane. It's insane. I don't know what's happening BTC. It's up, it's above the 10 moving average again. It's above the 10. Look here, 1 hourly, closing in 30 minutes. Like, we went down on the 1 hourly, like, right back up again. Like, totally. How can you not be bullish, guys? How can you not be bullish? Huh? Perfect time for a live. Yeah. But you know, last time we had, guys, do you remember over here? Last time we had live, I don't know if it was last time, but you know, we had live on this candle over here. On this candle over here, because I made live and called it almost emergency live stream. Do you remember that, guys? Do you remember that? And then after we were watching the candle close, because I was thinking that we might actually break the important level down here and drop right. That would be nice for Lime, but we didn't do that, and I was like, Christ, what am I gonna do now? Because I was tired, so I went to sleep, and I said, whatever happens, like, just watch the and see what happened right after that, like after the close of the stream. So I don't know, am I gonna close the stream and go to sleep, or am I gonna wait? Because if you are gonna have to go higher, then I have to wait 1 hour and 30 minutes left. We gotta break this level up here. That we might actually start breaking it. Let's see, put like over here right now. If we can break this level up here, like, there is a big chance that we might actually continue going up, and then maybe even break the upper level at 37,818. So we're gonna see that. I don't want to miss the pump, because you know, that's when everybody comes in. Almost emergency live stream was lit. Thanks, DLA. Yeah, almost emergency live stream. You know, sometimes it's emergency, sometimes almost emergency. You know, I cannot predict stuff. Where's the target for BTC? 47k this week, 45k next week, I think. Hey boss, I'm all short in AVE. What did you think? As long as you're making money, it's all good, man. But yeah, if you're shorting, you know, you should probably be know what you're doing. You know, it's hard. Is something big about to happen? I think something is big about to happen, but people don't. I don't think people understand that. I think something big about to happen, but I don't think people understand that. There is a big inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hourly. Big inverse head and shoulders on the 4-hourly. You mean this one over here, something like this? This complex head and shoulders, maybe. It doesn't look like it though. It doesn't look like it. Because if you want to use this as a shoulder, then you can, because this is a head, and you know the shoulder cannot be bigger than head. But maybe this is a, you know, shoulder head, and right now we're gonna have a shoulder again. You know, that might happen, but it's too far away, So I don't think it's right there. Next target 44k maybe. Is there a big? It's hard to call. It's 4 AM over here, and I can't stop watching. Nice, Rita, nice. Rita, brother, is BDD a dead project? You know, it's just, you know, going down like everything else. Tia goes out the window with G7 FUD bomb goes off at some point this weekend. What's the problem? The man. What's gonna happen on G7? If you think it's gonna be a FUD bomb, what's gonna happen? Michael says, like and subscribe if you want a TLA to play Dodge Daddy song. Don't say that kind of stuff, Michael. We're gonna lose subscribers. At one point do you make me jump in for a long? At any point you want, man, but you have to know that this can you know, go down as well. So I'm just saying, if you go in now, or wherever you go in, like not financial advice, but if I go in now, I would be looking at the 20 moving average on the 4-hourly time frame, because 20 moving average has been really consistent in you know, uptrend and downtrends, right? Uptrend right. So you can see a really nice line this over here. So every time we are above the line, we are bullish, and every time we are below the line, we are bearish. So if we start breaking the 20 moving average again, you know, we don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. So if you start breaking the 20 moving average down here, we don't want to do that. But as long as we are keeping going up, it looks nice. Grateful that I short closed at the right time before. So should I go all in with my 40 USDT? If it's only 40 USDT, yeah. If it's only 40 USDT. We are preparing for a nice moment. Just be Ron confident. Dude, I already have enough for 2 iPhones if you continue doing that. No, man, I appreciate the money. Thanks, man. It's always that. I won't say anything. I appreciate Ron. If you can, I'm gonna make a special emoji for the Ron, because he's like the mascot of the channel. Suntom Pogasic, welcome to the TI fans club, man. You're a 4th member today. Welcome. Now you can spam the emojis. We only got 4 emojis, but we are getting more, and one of those is gonna be Ron adapter. Good rain, Mike called me. Ronfident, yeah. You gotta be like Ron to you know, to do stuff. Your TI is on point. Learn so much from you. Thanks, Suntorn. I appreciate it. I like that the chat is a lot greener now, because people are in TN fans club, and you know, I like that. Maybe Ron is your wife. Maybe Ron wanna be my wife, huh? Oh man. Hey, with that kind of money, you know, I'm willing to consider the options, you know. Never say never, you know. I'm a man of 2020, you know. Matal. What's Matal? I have a wife, sorry. Good, man, good, very good. Immortal joined the TI fans club. Immortal is also a Patreon member. Welcome, Immortal. Welcome to the TI fans club. Welcome, and now you can spam the chat with the emojis. The TF Fans Club is basically just made for the emojis for the chat, because I do live stream, so you know, why not let people do the emojis? Lucky lady, yeah, lucky lady. By the way, what's happening actually with the that this is Richard Hart, guys, so if you want to know the guy, you can check him out. He does like 8-hour streams. G7 van. Date 11 to 13 June, so technically we won't actually know after over the weekend. 11, 12, 13. So over the weekend there is actually the G7 summit. Is there G77 D joined the fans club. Welcome D. Welcome to DA Fans Club. Are we fudding? I'd like to buy lower. Do you like the emoji, man? That's me personally creating that with you know, painting it pixel by pixel. Join the list I can do for all the hard work you put in. Man, appreciate that. Appreciate that. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed the crowd. 9 and G7. What do you call that? Talking points, something like that, right? Guide to everything you need to know. A major talking point on G7. 11th June. That's right now. CBNC, the leaders, Group 7, CBQ, everything. What are they gonna talk about Bitcoin? That's what I wanna know. Bitcoin, no. Crypto, no. Are they gonna talk about crypto and Bitcoin on G7? Is that on the agenda for the G7? We broke the triangle of 50-minute chart, I think. 50-minute chart? We gotta check it out. Is there a 15-minute chart? Yeah, there is actually. Technically, no. It looks like we tried, but we didn't actually break. The late adapter, you keep up the longer streams. 1 hour and a half is perfect. Yeah, today I'm in good shape, man. Today I'm in good shape, so you know, 1.5 hours is fine. 1.5 hours is fine. But I'm really excited about what's gonna happen. So I don't know. I don't want to lose the stream again, because last time I cut the stream short. You know, next 4-hourly candle, you know, went straight down, you know. So that was a big happening, but right now I'm not quite sure if it's gonna be happening right now, if I can go to sleep and then wake up to the happening and then restart the stream. Thanks, TLA, you're in a very good shape. Likes for the TLA. We have 200 likes or something like that. That's nice. I don't think I know people are always saying like, oh, like this video, but I haven't seen that much actually response from the likes and the promotion of the video. So you know, and here's also the same level that you know, the moon is also saying about, like, once we break this level up here, it's gonna go ballistic. I think this level over here, the 39,246 is really important, because once this is broken on the 4-hourly time frame, like, the price is gonna go like crazy. Damn, Ron, you loaded. Yeah, Ron is loaded, like, you know what. My favorite time of day, I watch this stream and my wife comes home and we all have a good time. Say hello to your wife, man. And yeah, say hello to your wife. What did I just mean? Just tuned back in. You missed a very nice stream. When will the upcoming content on Patreon be online? I want to sign up. Well, the next 4 lessons will be up at least during maybe next week or week after that, and the rest of the content will just be popping up from time to time. But if you want to get most content, probably next month. Any Bitcoin, but you know, this is you know, learning technology is like, you know, a process, you know. So you also get to join a Telegram group for the crash course, where you can ask anything and I will always answer and explain it. Or even make a video. There was a guy that asked me a question about something and I make a quick video for him, you know, explaining it a little bit better. The fans club. Yeah. Harmon 1, please, Maestro. We checked the Harmon, it's not happening much. Anyways, guys, the chat is dying. The hours are getting late. The prices are stabilizing, so something might actually happen today. We're gonna see what's actually gonna happen. You know, let's see this 50 moving average. So as long as we are above the 50, let's see where is the 200 moving average. So on the 1 hourly, it looks like, you know, we try to break. I don't want to get above below the 50 moving average on the 1 hourly. But there seems to be some kind of a trend line over here. So if you can break the trend line over here, that might actually start the move to the upside. But guys, like I said, watch the 20 moving average on the 4 hourly time frame. If you break the 20 moving average to the downside, that might actually be a bad sign. So we don't want to break the 20 moving average. Okay, guys. That's it, guys. The late adopter is investing in BTC better right now than else. I meant the last day or two suggest you. Yes, but how long could this continue? Is investing in BTC better right now than else? I meant the last day or two suggesting yes, but how long could this continue? I don't think this is going to continue for that long. I think this is because Bitcoin is actually quite bullish and going sideways, while alts are still pushing a little back downside. So Ron, $250, man. Thanks. Pink is okay. Yeah, whatever color fits you, man. Whatever color fits you. I didn't know that you could actually pick the colors. I didn't know that you could pick the colors. That's nice. Yeah, pink is okay, man. Whatever spanks your monkey. 6 a.m. You confirm the level when you break through trace to it and continue to the upside in reverse. 6 a.m. you confirm the level. Do the 24-hour live stream. Yeah, I'm gonna do 24-hour live stream when I hit 100k subs. Like CK says, it's all golden, it's all golden. And TL says in the beginning of his video, boom, 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 or something like that. Thanks, LA. An epic stream. Yeah, it was nice stream. I'm still very, guys, just to tell this, I'm still very bullish, but I told you, like, if we go below 20 moving average on 4 hourly, we might actually lose a lot of the bullishness. But right now, it looks it's set up to go higher. It looks like it's set up to go higher. Now the weekend is coming, nobody's actually quite sure what's gonna happen, you know. We got the G7 summit, we got the you know, options closing, you know, thought about that or whatever. You know, there's stuff happening. The shorts are all-time high. The Bollinger Bands are getting close. Something is gonna happen really soon. Whichever side we break hard, you know, you're gonna notice on the volume. That's probably the problem inside. But I think we might actually break to the upside. I'm hoping, but this can also break the downside, guys. This can also break the downside. Like if you go below the 20 moving average, watch the 20 moving average, guys. If you go below 20 moving average, that's it. Like we gotta see what's gonna happen. Don't fall below 20 moving average on the 4 hourly time frame. Ron is still a sugar daddy. T-Fuel $1 end of year is all I need. Rita, I hope you make it. I hope everybody makes it, guys. Thanks for joining the stream. It was fun, but I don't think I can hold out 1 hour and 20 minutes for the next next daily close. But I'm guessing the YouTube Jordan Cameron. I'm guessing the Jordan Cameron is yeah, he's starting his stream in 20 minutes. So you got a time to I'm gonna show you here. This guy, YouTube Jordan Cameron. Yeah. So if you go to his channel, he's having a stream right now, very soon, in 1 hour. He streams all the way daily closes. So go to his channel, say that the late adopter says hello. You know, give some love to this guy. I tried to say hello to him, but every time I say hello on the live stream, he ignores my chat. You know, too much happening. Say hello to him, see what's going. You know, you can follow him on the daily close. He does every day daily close because he's in the USA. So you know, his daily close is like 6 p.m. during the day. You know, he's having a good time. So go watch Jordan, give him a subscription. You know, say the late adopter says hello and stuff like that. Anyways, guys, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining the TA Fans Club. 6 new members today, so we're gonna get at least I think 1 or 2 more emojis for the next time. See how that works out. I might even pay some people on Fiverr and get some kind of professional emojis for the stream. Every time Jordan streams, it goes down low. Let's hope he forgets to stream then. Thank you, my favorite stream. You're welcome. Anyways, guys, have a good night. Ron, thanks a bunch for all the dollars. I hope the inflation doesn't hit tomorrow, and you gave me like $2, but I do appreciate, man. Thanks, and thanks for joining the Patreon and TFN Scrub. So we're gonna make something for you. Anyways, guys, have a nice evening. Enjoy the rest of the day, And where's my stop button, guys? Where's my stop button? There's it.